Hi, I'm Tajana.
Hi, I'm Donald.
We are sitting 1 meter apart.
Yep.
Yes? We would like to share with you some of the yoga routines that we do. And today we would like to do something easy. We're going to do mudras, which are yoga exercises for your hands. To do mudras, you need to sit in the lotus position. If you find this a little bit difficult, you can use a pillow like this. It's not difficult for Donald, but still.
It helps.
Okay, so the one that I would like to show to you today is the one to calm our minds, because in this situation we all might feel a little bit frustrated and our minds might wander from one thing to the other. So this exercise will help us to stay focused and to think about things which are really important. So to do this exercise, raise your arms in front of your chest. Your left arm is down and your right arm is on top of it. While you're doing the exercise, be careful that your back is straight. Try to keep your mind calm. Try to concentrate on your breathing. Also, your breathing should be slow and deep. So we are going to try. You should do this exercise for 3 minutes. However, we're just going to do it for 1 minute at this time. So let's try to concentrate, close your eyes, and enjoy your breathing. Think about the position of your back at all times. It has to be straight. If you find your mind is wandering, gently redirect it back to your breathing. We're going to stop for now, so you can rest your hands on your knees. When you do it by yourself, try to stay in the position for at least 3 minutes. The next mudra, which we're going to do, is the one for compassion. At times like this, it's very easy to see yourself as a victim, but we all have to remember that everybody is in a difficult situation and that we're all in this together. So we're going to open our arms, keep them parallel to the ground. Your fingers are also open, and try to keep still while you're doing this exercise. We are going to turn our head to the right and then back to the middle 4 times, and then to the left. As you turn your head to the right, inhale. As you return it back to the middle, exhale. Don't forget to keep your back straight and to breathe deeply. So let's try. To the right, inhale. 1. Right. 2. Right. 3. Right. 4. Left. 1. Left. 2. Left. 3. Left. 4. Let's continue by ourselves. Right. live. Okay, we're going to stop here. But remember, when you try to do these exercises by yourself, try to do them for at least 3 minutes. These exercises are very good to do in the morning or in the evening, but remember not to do them on the full stomach, because the breathing and full stomach don't go well together. Thank you for joining us. Bye-bye.
Bye.